Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this rear handle 7 1/4 inch fuel M18 circular saw. This guy is quite a bit more powerful than the not setback handle. Also gives you better leverage the way that the handles sit as well. Starting off with this guy, so it does have a blade brake, so if you're going to be starting off by putting a blade on it, you're going to want to hold that in place so that push on it until it drops in basically, and that's going to allow you to change out this blade without having it spin on you as you're trying to loosen it, or you can tighten it with that as well. This guy does also have a bevel feature where you can loosen this and set it to any angle and then tighten it back wherever you need it. Also, you can adjust the depth by loosening this and dropping this down, or bring it back up for maximum depth. It does have a connection for a shop vac hose, and it does have a belt clip as well. So there's that for you. Put that down, and it already has a blade on it. I am going to go ahead and drop a battery into it. It does also has a light, as you can see, has a little thumb safety that has to be pushed out of the way in order to operate it. So before you can pull the trigger, you'll have to push that down. And so that being said, guys, we are going to go ahead and do a quick demo and just rip a small piece off of this and go ahead and give you guys a quick demo of the saw. Guys, literally just hardly any resistance. That thing is so powerful, it really just rips through stuff pretty quick. And so that's the M18 fuel setback handle 7 1/4 inch circular saw. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We are giving this entire DeWalt drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of the month here, and every single month we do another giveaway of a tool or a kit. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the likes. If you have any questions on this guy, suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.